Welcome to this overview on coding tasks for Dash Robot. In today's session, you have the ability to navigate these various tasks. Please do not feel overwhelmed like you need to master all of them. In today's session, you are exploring what Dash can do. I'm going to navigate through these different tasks and explain to you what they mean. Point A to point B. In order to accomplish this task, you have a piece of tape on the ground, and you are asked to code Dash to move from one end of the tape to the other. Once you've completed that task, we'll then have Dash go back to that beginning spot. You can have Dash move around the tape. It might be a circle or a rectangle, but have Dash start in one point, move all the way around the tape, and then come back to that original point. As another task, figure out how to move Dash in such a way that Dash moves in a complete circle, just in one spot, not in a large circle, but just spinning around. The next task is have Dash move in a zigzag fashion around the cups that you have been provided. Once Dash has moved from one point to the other at the end of all the cups that you've set up as obstacles, then program Dash to come all the way back to that home or beginning spot. Using those same cups, you can build a tower and then program Dash to bump into that tower and cause all of those cups to tumble down. Additionally, if the cups are set up in a tower form, you can also use the Legos that have been provided to create arms or barriers, and then have Dash move that entire stack of cups from one point to another. If you have not used lights and sounds yet, feel free to go back and do any of those original tasks with lights and sounds. Some groups will have an opportunity to use the pen tool. Some groups might have an opportunity to use the launcher or the pinch and grab. Listen to your teacher's leadership and enjoy today's session. Have a great day.